iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is the top model in the iPhone 14 series. Yeah, this mobile, first of all, it comes with a 6.7 inches of LTPO Retina display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display, and it is also supports Dolby Vision. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this mobile comes with an upgraded processor from the old generation iPhone 13 series mobile, that is A16 Bionic chip, which is a 4nm based hexa-core processor. And when we talk about the camera section, yeah, we can observe a improvement from the older mobiles, older generation mobiles. That is, this mobile comes with the triple camera setup at the back side, but it comes with a 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization instead of the 12 megapixels one. And when we talk about the other two cameras, those are 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera and 12 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera with OIS also. And for the front, it comes with the regular 12 megapixels of wide angle selfie camera. You can shoot up to 4K 30 fps or 4K 60 fps, but not 8K. So, and when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in 3 variants mostly. Those are 6GB RAM 256GB internal storage and 6GB RAM 512GB internal storage, and also 6GB RAM 1TB internal storage variants. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile runs on iOS 16 out of the box. And when we talk about the battery, yeah, this mobile comes with approximately 4323 milliamperes of battery, and it supports 20 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports wireless charge. That means that QI MagSafe charger, and it can charge up to 15 watts wirelessly. And this mobile also comes with a stainless steel body, glass back, and glass front. When we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. You can directly check the colors, and with a buying link, I will also provide a buying link, so you can directly buy it from there also. And when we talk about the other features, yeah, this mobile comes with finally a always on display, which is lacking in all the mobiles from the until the last generation. And this mobile also comes with a, when we talk about the connectivity, yeah, this mobile is a 5G mobile. This mobile comes with almost 23 bands of 5G, so you don't need to worry about the 5G connectivity in this mobile. And this mobile also comes with a water and dust resistant certification, which is IP68. And this mobile also comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, which is the top of the line features, which are available right now. And this mobile also comes with a box. That box contains only a type C2 lightning port charger, cable, not charger, and some documentation. You will not get a charger included in the box with this mobile. And when we talk about the pricing, yeah, this is the major feature thing we have to keep in mind, that this mobile will be available with a price tag of 1,39,000, almost 1,40,000 rupees for the base variant only. Yes, for the base variant. And if you want to buy the higher variant, you have to pay much more. So yeah, that's it for the video. And by the way, if you want to see more videos, I will keep uploading the videos regularly from today onwards, so you can subscribe to my channel. That's it. And like the video, and also hit the subscribe button. So thanks for watching.